Uh-oh, if you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. What is going on, guys? Apple World here, and I have been challenged to use the Samsung Galaxy S10 for a whole month and not use my iPhone XS for 30 days. That means no iPhone and no Apple Watch. So I've been challenged for Aaron from the Love of Tech, which, by the way, you guys should definitely check out the video where he challenged me. Definitely check it out. Links are down below. How do you... Why is it so hard to open? My goodness. Okay, I guess. There we go. It's already open. So yeah, as I said, I was challenged by Aaron from the Love of Tech. He's an amazing creator, and he challenges people to use some Android devices, which are, you know, Apple fanboys. He challenges Apple fanboys to use Android devices. Now, wow. That looks really good. Okay, that looks really good. Let's go ahead and... Man. Whoa, hold on a second. Okay, hold on. Let's... This looks really good. Okay, what do we have in here? We've got 8 KG earphones, which look pretty good. Let's go ahead and check them out. Oh wow, these actually look really good, and the actual string is made out of like this, you know, this shoestring. This looks good. These actually look really good. Galaxy Buds are supposedly, you know, they actually come for free on the S10. I didn't get them in my package, which is super weird. What else do we have over here? We have some other ear tips. We get fast charging brick. Thank you, Samsung. And we also get USB-C to USB adapter. And what do we have in here? We probably got some adapters as well. Yes, we get a USB-C. Wow, we got a lot of stuff in here. What is this? USB-C to micro USB, and then we get the USB-C charger. Good stuff. Let's get into the phone, because this matches my whole theme. This one is actually the ceramic edition. Wow, this looks so good. What? Oh, that's actually really cool. Samsung actually puts a screen protector already on. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's boot it on. There we go. Samsung Galaxy S10 secured by Knox, powered by Android. So, I'm gonna be using this phone for a whole month. No Apple Watch, no iPhone. This is going to be crazy. I'm not used to Android. Like, I love Android. I've been using the Google Pixel for a week. Like, I use, you know, my iPhone and my Pixel. I use my Pixel sometimes, but I can't really stand Android for more than a week because I'm so locked in the Apple ecosystem. As I said, I like Android, but for a whole month, I've never done it. So I really like that I'm being challenged with this. All right, let me go ahead and set up the phone, and I'll come back in just a second. By the way, the punch hole, it doesn't look as bad. I actually kind of like this better than a notch. This actually looks pretty good. It's pretty big, but of course, I like this better than a notch. So maybe this is something that Apple could consider. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys prefer notch or this punch hole in the display? Actually, this looks really good. Headphone jack, USB-C, speakers over here, the SIM card, 3 cameras. I mean, this is good stuff. I'm currently setting up my fingerprint, and it is insane how there's actually a fingerprint reader inside of the display. I think I'm actually gonna like this better than Face ID because I feel like it's so simple because it's on the display. It's good stuff. I'm really excited to actually try this out. The thing that I like about Face ID is that it's something that you don't really think about. And here it is, the Samsung Galaxy S10 has finally launched. I like how the punch hole, like the wallpapers that they're actually used, you know, that like the actual notch is not as noticeable. I like that. Let's go ahead and test out the camera really quick. Oh, I love how there's wide angle selfies. So you guys can see this is wider. This looks really cool. That looks good. That looks really good. I'm excited to do a Samsung Galaxy S10 versus iPhone XS versus Google Pixel 3 camera, but this camera seriously looks really good. Of course, I'm super well lit up right now, but this looks really promising. I hate the icons that they're using. Like, this camera icon looks so bad, the messages icon, so I'm gonna change them right away. Let me go ahead and put on a video on YouTube to see how the screen looks, but this screen looks absolutely beautiful, seriously. And there's full screen mode, and the punch hole in the display, it doesn't look as bad. It looks fine. Let's go ahead and test out the speakers. The iPhone XS sounds It sounds a little bit better and actually louder, which is crazy. This is one thing that I actually think the iPhone wins here. Like this is actually the Plus model, and the iPhone XS, not the XS Max, but the XS, actually it sounds better and crispier. So this is one thing that maybe the Samsung Galaxy S10 doesn't shine. Doesn't sound bad, it sounds great, but compared to the iPhone, I think the iPhone takes the win on there. So I'm excited to try everything about this phone. Stay tuned for my first 24 hours review with this phone. I'm actually uploading that tomorrow, so stay tuned with that. One last thing that I wanted to try out is the wireless power share. So if I actually activate this, okay, as you guys can see right here, I will actually be able to charge my iPhone XS from the Samsung Galaxy S10. So let's go ahead and try it. Let's see if it works. It's charging. My Samsung Galaxy S10 is charging my iPhone right now. This is awesome because, for example, Samsung has just released the Galaxy Buds, so you'll be able to charge your AirPods from Samsung on your actual phone. Their smartwatch can actually charge, so this is a feature that I definitely want to see on the iPhone. Let's do it one more time. That's actually really cool. Boom! Shabam! And yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Let me go ahead and put in my SIM card from the iPhone XS to the Samsung Galaxy S10. Let's go ahead and do it. Goodbye, iPhone. Goodbye, iPhone. This is really sad. This is killing me right now. Oh man, I'm so upset. Samsung Galaxy S10 challenge. By the way, the S10 actually has expandable storage, so if that's something that you're into, maybe this phone is actually for you. Let me actually test out the fingerprint reader. Okay, that wasn't too fast. Probably here. It's okay. It's got a pretty decent. Oh, okay. So wait, I wasn't actually doing it right. I have to get used to where to place it. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, it's actually really fast. Look, check this out. I was placing it too much on the top. That's why I wasn't recognizing it. It's pretty fast. So fingerprint reader. So yeah, this is it, guys. That's pretty much it for this video. My SIM card is inside here, and guess what I'm doing right now? This is gonna hurt the most. Goodbye, Apple Watch. Goodbye, iPhone. I'm going to miss you. See you in 1 month. This does not mean that my Apple videos won't stop. If I have to film some iPhone, some iPhone related or some Apple Watch related content, I'm gonna film some B-roll. But just to let you guys know that I will not be using these guys. These guys are going inside of the box, and I will only be using the Samsung Galaxy S10 for a whole month. Wish me luck.